Hey guys, I am back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company MyFirstWig. But before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. The box included a wig cap, a edge brush, edge control, and also this starter kit that has bobby pins, 2 clips, a rat tail comb, pretty much all the basic essentials you would need to help lay your wig. I didn't even realize they sent edge control at first, so I had already kind of pre-slicked my edges, but the sideburns got messed up, so I decided to go ahead and apply. And y'all, this edge control worked good. It has a really nice sheen to it, but I was really impressed by it. They are definitely trying to become a one-stop shop where you are not gonna have to go anywhere else to purchase the essentials. Now this is going to be a straight out of the box slay. The unit that I'm showing you guys is a 5x5 closure wig, and this one does have highlights. Now this one has your 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, and they even have an elastic band sewn into the wig for you. This one also has lightly bleached knots. This is 10 inches, 130% in density, and this is a silky texture. And then the cap size that I have is a cap size 1. With the closure units, of course, your cap construction is a little bit different. On the sides, you are not going to have lace running from ear to ear, but I like closure units because I still feel like they are very easy. I also feel like they last longer and they are very, very beginner friendly. Not everybody is into frontals and full lace wigs, so I'm very happy that the company is starting to introduce this more into their lineup. Now, after I'm done cutting off the lace, I feel like this just needs to be plucked out a little bit more. They lightly pre-plucked it, but it's not as pre-plucked as some of their other units that I have received. So I'm just gonna go in and take my tweezers and just kind of go in. And I'm not going to stay in one spot, just lightly going across. I'm not gonna go too harsh with it, but just pluck out enough to where I feel like it's going to look a little bit more open in the front. Do I think that you can just wear this the way that it came? Absolutely. You do not have to do all this extra plucking, but I am just used to a more plucked out hairline, even on a closure unit. So I am just going to make it work for me. So just do what makes you comfortable. And when you are plucking your units, please take your time and try not to stay in one spot too long so you don't have to worry about it being over plucked. I'm going to be taking my Got To Be High Insta Hold Spray, and this is what I am going to be using to adhere this down. Now you can absolutely wear this glueless. You could put on a wig grip and just go on about your business, but I wanted this to be melted in, and it really didn't take any time at all because that spray, it dries down very quickly. And I'm just making sure that it dries down all the way. I don't want any lace rolling up on this unit. Now this is kind of parted off to the side, but I definitely want to rock a middle part. So I'm just going to repart that. And then I am just going to be using some flyaway tamer. They do have that on the page also, but I'm going to be using this flyaway tamer. And then I'm just going to go in with my Hotcomb and just press it down to make sure that it is going to be laying really, really flat. Did have to pull out a little bit of hair that just would not cooperate. That's just an easy pull. And I am still going to go around the front of the hairline and take some of that wax and also my Hotcomb, just kind of press around there also. Do not be scared to press around the hairline, even though it's only a closure unit, because you can still make it look like a frontal. So after I am done pressing everything down, I'm going to take my wig grip. I'm going to go ahead and tie down my hairline and then begin to work on flat ironing this unit. Flat iron this unit, I am not going in small sections. It is not needed, but I am using my Kipozi flat iron. This is my bigger flat iron, and it definitely gets the job done. It's very affordable. Of course, the products that I'm using, I'm gonna make sure to leave them down below in the description area. But I'm just going around the back and on the side and just making sure to get this as pressed out as possible. Now I did notice some shorter hairs at the top, so I will be taking a little bit more wax and just kind of running through those areas, and also a little bit of my spray. And then I did notice it was just a little bit longer on one side, so I am going to end up kind of cutting it down to where it is going to match the other side. After I am done making sure that everything is to my liking, I'm going to go in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum and run that throughout the hair. Now this is a silkier texture, so with silkier textures I always notice a little bit more frizziness and flyaways, and this is going to help combat that. And I'm just going to kind of clean it up a little bit more. Now I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette. And I'm going to go in the parting space area and around the hairline. This is only lightly bleached, so I'm used to it being fully bleached, so I definitely wanted to conceal those knots just a little bit more, and the powder definitely got the job done. So this is the final outcome, guys, and I think it looks really pretty. Now this is not heavy in density, so this would be perfect for somebody who wants something lightweight and more for every day and just really don't want to have to put up with a lot of hair. As far as the highlights go, I feel like the highlights could have been better. I feel like they were more defined on one side, and then the other side it was just not really there. And then also I noticed a lot of shorter hairs. Now, as far as the parting space goes, the parting space looked good as far as me not having to pluck it out, but the knots were definitely a little bit more darker. So I would always go with the deep bleach option when it comes to my first wig, because then it really looks like scalp more to me. Let me know what you guys think about this bob. If you are feeling it, I'm definitely happy that they are bringing closures to the website, just because I feel like they are a little bit more affordable and they are even more beginner friendly. If you are interested, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links down below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.
Taking time out to